Simple past tense, mastering regular verbs. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of English grammar, regular verbs in simple past tense. Understanding how to use regular verbs in the simple past tense is a vital part of mastering English. So, let's get started. Before we dive into regular verbs, it's important to understand what we mean by the simple past tense. The simple past tense, as the name suggests, talks about actions that happened in the past. This could mean actions that happened yesterday, last year, or even 100 years ago. Example: I played football yesterday. In this example, played is the past tense of the verb play. The action of playing football took place in the past. Thus, we use the simple past tense. Now that we understand the simple past tense, let's talk about regular verbs. These are verbs that follow a regular pattern when changing from present to past tense. To form the simple past tense, regular verbs typically add ed to the end of the base form, the infinitive without to. Example: the regular verb walk becomes walked in the simple past tense. The formation of regular verbs in the simple past tense is quite straightforward. 1. For most regular verbs, simply add ed to the base form of the verb. Example: talk becomes talked. If the verb ends in e, just add d. Example: love becomes loved. If the verb ends in a consonant followed by y, you change the y to I and add ed. Example: study becomes studied. Remember, regular verbs always follow these rules, which is what makes them regular. Now, let's practice what we've learned. Here are some verbs: watch, dance, cry. Try to convert these into simple past tense. Take a moment and pause the video here to do the exercise. Pause. Done? Let's check your answers. Watch becomes watched. Dance becomes danced. Cry becomes cried. Did you get them right? Great job! And there you have it. You now understand how to use regular verbs in the simple past tense. Remember, practice is key when it comes to learning a language. Keep practicing these regular verb forms, and before you know it, you'll have mastered the simple past tense. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us on this grammar adventure. We hope you found this helpful. Keep practicing and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, keep learning.